Our world is amazing. It has variety of weather conditions where we witness hot, cold, dry and sometimes rain. But there are some places where we cannot even think how extreme the weather can be. In today's video, I will take you through the hottest, the coldest, the driest and the wettest place on earth. Stay with me. Hello everyone, my name is Ali and welcome to my channel Finding Places and More. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now let's watch the world's most hottest, coldest, driest and wettest place. Thank you. Death Valley National Park, located in Eastern California, United States of America. Area 3.4 million acres. It has also country's lowest point, Badwater Basin, which lies at 282 feet below the sea level. The highest recorded temperature in Death Valley was 134 Fahrenheit in July 1913, making it hottest place on earth, but not the driest one because it has over 600 springs and ponds. Life abounds in here. The park is home to different types of plants, birds, mammals and reptiles, and some of them are found only in Death Valley. The average temperature here is 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and month of February is the best time to visit. Oymyakon, known as the coldest inhabited place on earth, located in the Republic of Sakha in northeast Russia, which is just few hundred miles from Arctic Circle. The lowest recorded temperature was minus 96.16 degrees Fahrenheit in 1924. The small Russian town has population of around 500 people, and winter temperature average at about minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The town has its own heating plant that burns coal non-stop to heat water and supplies each house there. Their main diet is meat because there is no vegetable can be grown due to permanently frozen ground. You will notice cars' engines are always on when outside, otherwise gasoline will be freeze in few seconds. There is no cell phone coverage. That's because no one use it. In fact, mobile phone will not work in this extreme cold weather. The town currently has only one hotel, one shop and one solitary school. Popular sports include skiing, ice hockey and ice fishing. Mostly people in Oymyakon work 2 weeks and 2 weeks off. Although they have harsh weather condition, but people here are used to and seems to have a normal life. The Atacama Desert, located in Chile, South America, covering 105,000 square kilometers of land on the Pacific coast, west of Andes Mountains. Except few drops, this place did not receive rain for the longest period, making it driest place on earth. Surprisingly, around 1 million people live here, mostly in coastal fishing villages, mining areas and oasis towns. According to NASA and National Geographic, the Atacama Desert has soil comparable to planet Mars. NASA uses this desert for testing instruments for missions to the Red Planet. The Atacama Desert has also been used as a location for filming Mars scenes, most notably in the television series Space Odyssey: Voyage to the Planets. Mawsyn Ram is a lovely village situated in the state of Meghalaya, northeast India. This place receives more than 11,000 millimeters of rains every year, making it wettest place on earth. It also holds a Guinness World Record for receiving almost 26,000 millimeters of rainfall back in the year 1985. During monsoon, maximum rain falls. and local people use unique and strong basket-like umbrellas to survive the heavy rains. If you are planning to visit Mohsin Ram, make sure to carry raincoat, rainfall-proof footwear, and a big umbrella. Nature plays its role when it needs. We must be grateful when we have summer, spring, or the winter season, which are pleasant and good enough for us for relaxing and holidaying. That's it from my side. Our world is amazing. I will continue to explore and share with you. Thank you.